Good morning everyone. In today's class of MIS, I will discuss why do we need IRM, what are the benefits of IRM, what is the significance of IRM. As I discussed in previous videos, IRM differences between IRM and MIS, similarly IRM versus MIS. First of all, we must know the full forms of both. MIS stands for Management Information System, IRM stands for Information Resource Management. So it is a system which provides information which is very valuable. It is treated as the resource. Information is treated in this system as a resource which is very valuable and must help and helps management to take decisions. So that's for that we make a system IRM, Information Resource Management. Now the question arises, why do we need? It is needed in today's modern organization that everything is dynamic now. Everything is changing now. So just to survive in today's market, we need IRM. Benefits of IRM are: it identifies gaps and duplication of information, clarifies roles and responsibilities of owners and users. Okay, means there should be no gap and duplication of information anywhere. It clarifies roles and responsibilities of owners and users, provides cost saving tools for procurement and handling of information, identifies CVA, cost benefit analysis, also activates support management decision making. Yes, finally it is helpful for management decision making. Means this system is just for storing valuable information for future use properly. There should be no gap, there should be no duplication, there should be no misleading of information, and information should be properly available for managers to take decisions. Significance of IRM. IRM is important because it helps in today's dynamic environment. It plays a significant role due to following reasons: as challenge to perform better, effectively and quickly. Sharing of information and knowledge is critical for organizations. Whenever and wherever possible, information should be stored in a form that maximizes its usefulness. Information is valuable resource. Yes, I already discussed. This system treats information as a valuable resource and it should be carefully provided to all the workers as data workers, information workers and knowledge workers. Everything is written here. So in this today's lecture I have discussed needs, benefits, significance of IRM, that is Information Resource Management. On the whole, I have discussed why do we require IRM, what is the importance of IRM. So you must study the basic differences between the two, IRM and MIS. Also, what's the need, benefits and significance of IRM. So this topic is done today. Next I will discuss in next videos. Okay, thank you for today.